Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 2 3 countings. Pink color, green color and golden color. Let's start. 1 2 3 4. Light green color, 5 6 7 8. Purple color, 9 10 11 12. Dark blue color, 13 14 15 16. Light yellow color, 17 18 19 and 20. Orange color, light green color, purple color, blue, dark blue color and light yellow color. ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10, ELEVEN 11, TWELVE 12, THIR TEEN 13, FOUR TEEN 14, FIF TEEN 15, SIX TEEN 16, SEVEN TEEN 17, EIGHT TEEN 18, NINETEEN 19, TWENTY 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget, like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.